This caramel lip scrub is simply delicious. It gently exfoliates and plumps the lips, making them smoother and softer, and it is made with natural oils that provide care, hydration and protection. Do you want to learn how to make it? Let me show you. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga Larnaudie. I'm a certified cosmetic chemist and natural cosmetics formulator. Here on my channel you're gonna find a lot of different recipes and tutorials, so if you want to learn how to make your own beauty products at home, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to make a lip scrub which is inspired by iconic Dior Gommage Exfoliant au Sucre. And in fact, it's a combination of a lip balm and lip scrub. At room temperature, the balm remains solid, but upon contact on the skin, oils melt and the product spreads easily on the lips. Just massage gently your lips with a scrub and then use a cotton pad dampened with water to remove the exfoliated dead cells. And protective oils and natural waxes will remain on the skin and take care of your lips. Such a lovely product and makes a perfect Christmas gift. Let me show how to make it. In a chocolate melter, I weighed soybean wax, beeswax, liquid base oil such as almond oil or any other oil, and cocoa butter. I will also add a pinch of red mineral mica for color, but this is optional. The most challenging part in formulating a lip scrub is to find this balance between solid and soft texture, because your product has to remain solid at room temperature, but at the same time it has to spread easily on your skin. In order to achieve it, you have to use two different types of natural waxes. You have to take a wax with low melting point, like soybean wax for example, and you have to mix it with a wax with a higher melting point, like for example beeswax. If you're vegan and beeswax doesn't work for you, ask me in the comments below and I will advise you the alternative. While my waxes are melting, I'll wait the rest of ingredients. Sugar, and I'm gonna also prepare my silicone molds for pouring. You can find molds like this on different websites. Those I ordered on Amazon. I'm gonna leave you the links just in case in the text box below this video. Okay, now everything has melted. Remove the mixture from the water bath. Now add the rest of the ingredients, stir it and immediately pour it into the molds. The mixture will start to solidify almost instantly. And now just put the product in the refrigerator for an hour to harden. My balms are solid and I will proceed with packaging. It smells amazing, so nice. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you're gonna like the recipe and I hope you're gonna enjoy the process of making your own lip scrubs. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and see you next time.